Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. In our session today, we're going to learn how to reset the LiAM database to its factory condition. So, if you've downloaded our application and you have been exploring it for several days, you'll notice that we have provided a demo data for you to use as you evaluate our program. But at some point, you're going to want to activate your license and you're going to want to clear this data out and begin using it for your own purpose. To do that, go back to the home page, and as the administrator login, you'll have access to the administration panel. Go ahead and select the Reset to Factory button, and then select OK. It's very important to note that this will clear all the production data in your database. So if you do this with a live set of data, you will lose it. You'll have to go back to the last backed up version of your server and restore that version. So let's go ahead and clear it. We do back up the server before we clear it out. This time we're not going to populate it with our demo data. And when it finishes, we're going to go back into our asset list, look at the asset list, and verify that all of the assets have been cleared out. Database is now ready for your use. All right, well, let's say you did make a mistake and you have to restore the last known good version of your production data. To do that, just go into the folder that contains LiAM server. Open up the LiAM server folder and observe there is a backup folder within that folder. Go ahead and open up that backup folder and observe the latest file that was saved. Go ahead and select it, do a Control-C to copy it, go up one level, and then in that LiAM server folder, do a Control-V. Now you can delete the database that you cleared out by mistake and then rename this folder by removing the date time stamp. When you're done, go ahead and close this. Back on your database now, you're going to want to refresh the local tables. This will bring the server data that you've just restored back into your local client. So select Refresh Local Tables. When the local table update's complete, you can now go back into your asset list and check that you have your production data restored. So this completes the lesson on how to reset the LiAM program to its factory condition. If you have any questions or you need some assistance, feel free to reach out to us at trackitwithliam.com. Go to our contact support page, let us know how we can be of assistance.